Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul video and I wanted to share some stuff that I picked up from Sephora and Ulta, and I picked up some stuff from the Sephora VIB sale that was over like last week I think, and the Ulta was from the 21 days of beauty. That was like a while ago, but I also went back to Ulta recently and I just thought that I would share some stuff that I bought with you guys because I've been watching like Sephora VIB hauls. So yeah, I thought I would share mine. So majority of my haul is from Ulta, and I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from their 21 days of beauty. One of those days they had the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz on sale for like 50% off, so it was like $10.50. So I picked up two and they're both in the color dark brown. So they also had a discount for the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus sprays, and I decided to pick up one because I have never tried them, and you know, a lot of people talk about them, so I decided to pick it up and just try it. And then they always get me with the spend $50 to get it like free shipping, so I had to like buy like random things that I shouldn't have. And the first two things are some eyeliners because I've been into liquid liners that are like colorful, so I've been trying to play with like these liners. So I just picked up this one, and this is in the color Vivid Sapphire by NYX. And then I also picked up this white one, also by NYX, and this one is called the White Liquid Liner. That's all. But yeah, I've been wanting to play around with these, so I'm gonna probably try to film a tutorial or two with them. So I also picked up a brush because I always want to like buy brushes, but they're just so expensive, you know. But I bought this Real Techniques blush brush. This one looks like this. I really like how it looks. Like, it looks pretty big, but it's super soft, and I think that it'll like fit my cheeks. I don't know, but yeah, it's kind of, it looks pretty big, but I'm just excited to try this. It seems soft, so I don't think it would like irritate my cheeks. I also picked up a Maybelline matte ink, Super Stay Matte ink, and I love this color. This one is in Seductress, and I wanted to try this because I heard a lot of people like talking about it, so I wanted to try it. And this is the color that I'm currently wearing on my lips. And I also picked up a Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I tried this one already. I have to say that I don't like it. It doesn't, I don't really, because my lashes are really, they're kind of long, but they just like go straight down, and this one doesn't like lengthen my lashes, or it doesn't like give them volume or anything, so it's kind of like useless. I didn't know that I had picked up the Lash Sensational Curvitude mascara by Maybelline also. I wouldn't have picked this one up, so I haven't even opened this one up yet, so I'm gonna try this one and see how it is, but I don't know if I will like this. The second time that I went to Ulta was recently when the VIB sale started. I got a code from Ulta for 20% off, so I was like, I've been wanting to pick up this palette, and I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it. It's all over the place, and it is the Soft Glam palette. I am obsessed with this. I just, when I first saw it, like the preview on Anastasia's Instagram, I loved the colors and I just had to pick it up, and this one looks stunning. I just love like every single shade in here, and I don't know, I think it's just really pretty. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today. But I also picked up something that I was not going to pick up, and it's very popular also. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. It is so beautiful. It just looks like this, and oh my gosh, like it's so pretty. And I have to say that at first when I saw it on Instagram and like different people talk about it, I wasn't really into it because I thought that it was going to be too dark and it was too gold, and I just like very light gold but more like champagne kind of like highlight colors, so I wasn't going to pick it up. But then when I went in store and tried it, because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna swatch it and see what's the hype. But then when I swatched it on my skin, looks like this. When I swatched it on my skin, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's just so pretty, and it's very light, and I don't know, I just thought that it was really pretty. I thought it was gonna be dark, but it's like the perfect, I don't know, highlight color for me. I put a little bit on my face, and it's just very pigmented, so I think it's super pretty, and I think you guys should pick it up. It is limited edition, or like for a limited time. So I also picked up a few things from different brands, and the first one I picked up is from Colourpop. I placed an order when they had, I think, like a sale for their liquid lips or something like that. So I picked up the Ultra Matte Up All Night lip color, and I am so obsessed with these type of colors. And I don't usually wear red lipsticks, but I picked up the I Love Sarahi and Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid lip color, and this one is just super bright red. I think it's such a beautiful color. It's so rich and red. I don't know like if I'll ever wear this, but I just thought that in case I needed one. It's just so pretty, and I just love it. And then let me swatch the Up All Night for you guys. This one is just like an everyday mauve pinkish color, and I really like that also. I picked up two ultra blotted lip colors, and I had both of them before, but then I lost them, or I lost one and I gave one to my best friend, and then I wanted to pick it up again because I've been loving these two shades. The first one I picked up is Dozy, I think that's how you say it, but it's just like a very pretty like pink lip color, and I think that is very natural. It's more sheer on the lips than when you swatch it, because you have to layer if you want like a color, but it's just like a pop of like color for your lips. Like it's very thin and it's very comfortable on the lips. But I have another one, I just don't know where I put it, so I might lost that one too. And then I also thought that I had to mention this palette. I recently did a tutorial on it. I did a cut crease on it and I reviewed it also, and I really liked it. So yeah, I wanted to mention it again. Let me show you guys a swatch. I did this in my review, so if you guys want to check out my review, I'll link it in the description, but I'll just swatch this one. See, it's so freaking creamy and it looks really nice, and I just love the formula. And you could just get this on KKW Beauty's website. It's just the collab palette with Mario, and I think they did a great job. So now let's go on to my Sephora haul. I have just a few things because they were quite expensive. The only thing that's makeup related that I picked up is this set. This is the Too Faced Sex on the Peach set, and I wanted to try this out just because a lot of people love the powder, and this was $45, but you get a full-size powder and a full-size Better Than Sex mascara, and that is so worth it. So that's why I picked it up. So I did use these products today just so that I can give you guys a little like review, I guess, on what I think about the products. So this is the powder that everyone has been talking about. They love this. This one, I think that it does really like kind of blur out your skin, but I have to keep trying, and I'll let you guys know later. But one thing that I do know is that I love this Better Than Sex mascara. For some reason, I've never tried this. My best friend loves this mascara, and I've never tried it, but I am obsessed with it. It doesn't really, what do you say, like curl them? I don't know, but it definitely does kind of lengthen it, and I do see like a little bit of volume, so I really like that. So another thing in this set is the Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer, and I don't know what people have said about this. This is the primer, and it's like pink, and it is cooling on the skin, but when you like rub this in, it's very tacky feeling on the face. when I applied it on my face, it was like tacky right away. And then I was like, okay, I think I will like this because it will make my makeup last longer. But it like started like, you know when you start rubbing a lot and then product leaving some flaky, like, I don't know, like it's not skin, but it's just from the product. And I didn't like that. It was like all over my face, but I don't think I like this one. And then the last thing that I used from this set is the mattifying setting spray, and I really like this. I like the smell and the mist and how it sprays out. So it just sprays like this. It's not really harsh, you know, and it's really soft, and I just really like it, and it smells really good. So I've been on the hunt for a really good moisturizer because I've been using the Tatcha Water Cream Moisturizer, and let me show you guys. This is so expensive, but like I'm almost completely out. So I picked up this set because I've been looking for moisturizers on Sephora, and a lot of people really like the the Belief Aqua Bomb. And so this set was for $38, and this one is really good and worth it also because the price, this is a full-size Aqua Bomb moisturizer, and this one alone is $38. So I thought that it was such a great deal to try out the other two products. So then this one looks like this, and a lot of people talk about it, so I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. So it just looks like a really like gel consistency, and it looks like this. It looks really pretty, and I think I'll like this. Yeah, so this is very light, and it reminds me of the Tatcha water cream thing, but yeah, I don't know how this will work. I really hope that it moisturizes my skin and help it from being so dry. And then it also comes with the Hungarian water essence spray. I don't know what this is, but I'll try it. Also comes with the moisturizing eye balm, and I've been really wanting to try eye cream and like stuff for my under eyes because they've been really dark, and I need to like find something to brighten them up. So the next thing I picked up is this Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid, and I got a sample of this before and I tried it and I really like it. So I just wanted to pick that up because I ran out of the sample. And then the last thing that I picked up is really exciting, and it's really hyped. A lot of people have been talking about the Drunk Elephant products, and I've just been really curious. In my skin, I have like dark spots, and I don't want to get wrinkles, and I have like texture, and you know, like I just want to prevent and then remove some of my scars and stuff like that. So let me show you guys what's inside. It comes with the TLC Framboos, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I think that's how you say it, and then Glycolic Night Serum. This is the TLC Baby Facial, like I think it's like a mask because it says for you to use it and then leave it on for 20 minutes. So I'm assuming it's a mask. And this one is the one that I'm really excited to try. It's the C Firma Day Serum, and a lot of people said that they have noticed a difference using the Drunk Elephant products. And then it also comes with the Virgin facial oil, so I'm gonna try this also. But yeah, so I'll let you guys know what I think. And then I also spent like 150 points or something like that to redeem like a product, and I decided to try out this Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, and this one is the one that I think I'm going to buy full size. So it just looks like this, and it's really like, it's kind of like the Aqua Bomb texture, so I'm hoping the Aqua Bomb will work. But this one makes such a difference, and I've used it for like, I've used it 3 times or 2-3 times, and I just been loving this. But that's all I picked up from the Sephora VIB sale. I was gonna save it and then buy stuff later in December, so I'm gonna try to stop spending money on makeup. And I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Let me know what you picked up during the VIB sale, if you bought anything or just new makeup in general that you've been loving. I want to buy like new drugstore makeup, but I'm gonna lay off on the makeup for now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!